To use Daily Cash on Apple Card, you need to understand how the rewards system works. Apple Card offers a rewards program called Daily Cash, which gives you a percentage of your purchase back as cash. The cash is added to your Apple Cash card in the Wallet app, and you can use it to make purchases, pay your Apple Card balance, or transfer it to your bank account. First, make sure you have the latest version of iOS and the Wallet app on your iPhone. Open the Wallet app and select your Apple Card to see your rewards. You will see the total amount of daily cash you have earned, and you can use it immediately. To redeem daily cash, you can use it to make a purchase using Apple Pay. When you make a purchase, the daily cash will be used as the default payment method if you have enough balance. You can also use daily cash to pay your Apple Card balance. To do this, go to the Wallet app, select your Apple Card, and tap on Make a Payment. You will see the option to use your daily cash balance to make the payment. Another way to use daily cash is to transfer it to your bank account. To do this, open the Wallet app, select your Apple Cash card, and tap on Transfer to Bank. You will be asked to enter the amount you want to transfer and select your bank account. The transfer may take 1 to 3 business days to complete. It is essential to note that daily cash has no limits, no rotating categories, and no expirations. You can earn daily cash on every purchase you make with your Apple Card, and you can use it whenever you want. Additionally, you can earn extra daily cash when you use your Apple Card at certain merchants, such as 3% back at Apple, 2% back with Apple Pay, and 1% back on all other purchases. In summary, using daily cash on Apple Card is straightforward. You can earn rewards on every purchase, and you can use the rewards to make purchases, pay your Apple Card balance, or transfer them to your bank account. By following these steps, you can make the most out of your Apple Card and enjoy the benefits of the daily cash rewards program.